You can buy borax at most supermarkets, hardware stores, and online retailers, usually found in the laundry aisle near powders and stain removers. Borax is commonly stocked in the laundry section because it is sold as a laundry booster and cleaning agent, so look on the shelves with powdered detergents and fabric softeners. If a store has a cleaning supplies end cap, check there too. Hardware stores and home improvement centers often place borax near other pest control and cleaning chemicals, sometimes on racks with rodent baits and insect sprays, so ask an associate if you do not see it. Online retailers carry many brands and package sizes, which can be useful if you want bulk quantities or prefer home delivery. Read product descriptions to ensure you are getting pure sodium tetraborate decahydrate, not a mixed cleaning compound. Ethically use borax with proper handling, wear gloves, keep it out of reach of children and pets, and store it in a labeled, sealed container away from food. For making a bait mix, measure carefully and mix with a sugary attractant rather than using undiluted powder. A typical approach is to dissolve the borax in warm water with a sweetener to form a syrup that worker ants carry back to the colony. If you are unsure about concentration, start with a low ratio and adjust based on effectiveness to avoid rapid killing of foragers before they share the bait. 3 common mistakes are using borax in pure powder form where foragers avoid it, placing baits in wet or exposed locations that dilute the bait, and assuming one purchase will solve recurring infestations. If you scatter dry borax, it appears as a hazard and ants will circumvent it, so mix it into a palatable liquid or paste that ants will consume and transport. Keep baits on small, covered dishes or inside shallow containers to protect them from rain and household disturbance so the concentration remains stable. For recurring infestations, check entry points, seal cracks, and maintain sanitation because removing food sources and limiting entry will make baits far more effective. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work related to projects like pest control and home maintenance. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange real-world tips, product locations, and step-by-step advice about tasks such as purchasing and using borax safely.